Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman pong kaibigan nyo si Jake. Sa video natin ngayon, VP Sara papunta na naman ng abroad sa Japan, no? To meet Filipino community. Ewan ko pa dito sa atin Vice President, mas priority pa ang bakasyon or maglibot sa buong mundo kaysa magtrabaho dito sa Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang aspiring nating presidente? Palagi lang wala dito sa bansa. Kung gusto nyo maging disaster ang ating bansa by 2028, tumakbo siyang presidente, ay piliin nyo siya, no? Hindi to paninira, pero naobserbahan ko, VP pa lang siya, pero parang wala siyang pakialam sa ating pamalaan. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko at gusto nyo ang video na ito, paki-like lang po, share, and huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Mahal ko kayo, ingat po tayo lagi. Dito po sa GMA News, 1 hour ago, Vice President Sara Duterte to fly to Japan to meet with Filipino community. Wala naman itong masama, no? Kaso lang, parang nangyari dito, parang DSWD siya, no? Hindi siya nagtatrabaho bilang Vice President. Ito po, Vice President Sara Duterte will embark on another international trip. Always lang on the go, no? As she is set to fly to Japan on Thursday evening to meet with the members of the Filipino community ngayong gabi pala. In an interview in Davao City Duterte said the Filipino communities are set to hold rallies in Tokyo and Nagoya to protest against corruption and to call for the release of former President Rodrigo Duterte from the International Criminal Court or ICC detention at The Hague. Grabe, ano ba to? Basahin natin ang balita ng GMA. Ito, Sara Duterte to fly to Japan to meet with Filipino community. Vice President Sara Duterte will embark on another international trip as she is set to fly to Japan on Thursday evening, ngayon to meet with the members of Filipino community there. In an interview in Davao City, Duterte said that the Filipino communities are set to hold rallies in Tokyo and Nagoya to protest against corruption and to call for the release of former President Rodrigo Duterte from International Criminal Court or ICC detention at The Hague, the Netherlands. Corruption siya nga, may mga confidential fund siya. That's why may impeachment, no? Pupunta ako ng Japan dahil mayroong mga rallies doon na hinahanda ang Filipino community sa Tokyo at sa Nagoya, said Duterte. I will go to Japan to attend rallies of the Filipino community in Tokyo and Nagoya. The Vice President said the events cannot be postponed as the participating overseas Filipino workers o OFW there arrange their schedules and accommodations for the activities. Hindi ito pwedeng ipagpaliban. Wow, grabe. In any event, para din naman ito sa mga sa bayan dahil ito ay double na panawagan kontra korupsyon. Siya at saan ang perang pumunta at panawagan sa ICC na palain ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, she added. We cannot postpone this in any event. This is a public as they are protesting against corruption and are calling for ICC to release former President Rodrigo Duterte. Her father was arrested at the Ninoy International Airport last March and facing charges stemming from crimes against humanity in relation to his drug war when he was a mayor of Davao and later a president. In recent months, Duterte had previously met the Filipino community in Australia, Kuwait, Qatar, Malaysia, and France. Last week, the Office of the Vice President, OFP, said spent 20.68 million on its local and foreign trips as of July 2025, covering the expenses of the Duterte security, crews, and personnel. Of the figures, a total of 13.207 million was spent for local travels, while 7.43 million for foreign travels. Grabe, yung sarap ng buhay talaga ni VP Sara, no? People's money, pabakasyon-bakasyon lang, bisita sa ibang bansa. Kayo guys, no? Kasi lang madali tayong makalimot, no? Kayo nang bahala kung ito mahalal bilang presidente ng bansa. Naku po, malaking problema, disaster mangyayari guys. mga DDS, babash nyo naman ako, bahala kayo dyan. Yun lang po guys, ingatan natin ang ating bansa, wag nating ihalal ang mga tao na personal interest lang, no, ang inaatupag, katulad po ni BP Sara, no, punta-punta lang ng abroad. Yun lang po guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at suporta. Please like, share, and huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Mahal ko kayo. Ito naman pong kaibigan si Jake. Paalam guys, I love you all.